Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track Calendly form using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I have attached a Calendly form with my landing page. Okay. So if you don't know how to attach a Calendly form like this, then what you need to do is you need to go to the Calendly uh, section. Then you will have a scheduling option. Okay. Then you can schedule a 30-minute booking or 15 minutes booking from here. Then after setting up the booking, then you need to go to add to website. Then you'll see these three options: inline embed, pop-up widget, pop-up text. So you can select any of them. So I have selected the first one, which is inline embed. Then I'm gonna click on continue. Then they will give you an embedded code. So you need to copy this code. Then you need to go to your landing page. Okay. Then you need to add this code to your backend and you can create a new page. Then you will see a form like this. Perfect. So I have already connected Google Tag Manager account with this landing page so that I can show you how we can set up the Calendly booking setup using Google Tag Manager and send them as GA4 events. Okay, perfect. And you can see over here, I have already created a GA4 property. Okay, perfect. So let's see how we can set up the Calendly bookings for our GA4 events. So first of all, we need to add this Calendly event listener code to our Google Tag Manager. Okay, so let's do that. So we have come to our GTM section, then I'll create a new tag. So the tag name would be custom HTML Calendly listener. Calendly listener. So I'm gonna choose tag configuration as custom HTML. Then I'm gonna copy this code. So if you don't have this code, we can search for Calendly event listener on Google, then you will get the code. Or you can message me, or then I can send you the code as well. No worries. So I'm gonna paste this code in the HTML section, and the triggering would be all pages. Okay, perfect. I'll click on save. Then I'm gonna preview this. Okay, perfect. So you need to provide the Calendly booking page URL over here. So for my case, it is already there. So I'm gonna hit connect. So you can see over here, tag assistant connected for the Calendly booking page. Okay, so let's go to the tag assistant preview mode. Then you will see a couple of events. So this one, I'm gonna click on there. So you can see Calendly event page height. So we don't need this one. Then yeah, we need this one, Calendly event type viewed. Okay. So we have viewed this Calendly event. That's why this event has fired. Event type viewed. So we're gonna be tracking three events for our GA4. One is event type viewed. Then if I select time and date, then you will see another event will be fired. Okay, just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, Calendly event date and time selected. So Calendly event date and time selected. Then uh, we want to send this event type view, and the last one would be uh, the event scheduled. Okay, so if we schedule this event with my details, okay, then you will see another event will be fired. on the GTM. So you can see over here event schedule. So we're going to be tracking these three events for our GA4 events. Event is scheduled, date and time selected, and page view. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. So you will see one thing common. Okay. So the event name is Calendly in each section. Okay. But Calendly event name is different. So as we want to track three Calendly event, so we need to create a data layer variable. So the data layer variable name would be Calendly underscore event. So let's create a data layer variable for Calendly event. Okay. So we'll go to the user defined variable and we'll name this as TLV Calendly event. Okay. Then variable type would be data layer variable and we're going to be naming this. So you need to copy the exact naming sequence from here. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to hit save and we need to create a trigger for the Calendly event, which is this actually. So Calendly, I can see the event name is same for event schedule as well. Okay, so let's create a trigger. So the trigger name is the trigger name would be Calendly custom trigger. Okay, perfect. Then trigger configuration would be custom event and event name would be Calendly. Perfect. So I'll hit save. Now we'll create a new tag. So the tag name would be GA4 event Calendly form submission or something like that. GA4 event Calendly form. Right. Okay. Perfect. So the tag configuration would be Google Analytics GA4 event. So we have already created the measurement ID. So I'm going to use the measurement ID or this one, GA4 Google tag. You'll see the green signal over there, Google tag found in this container. And the event name would be Calendly, then underscore. We're going to be using our data layer variable that we have created, this one, DLB Calendly event. Okay, so we'll not be passing any parameters, event parameters, and the triggering would be Calendly custom trigger. Okay, I'll hit save. So before previewing, we'll go to the debug view of analytics so that we can see these events real time. Okay, perfect. So let's preview that. So I'm gonna hit preview. Then I'll hit connect. Then you can see GA4 event Calendly form tracking has fired. Okay. And uh, just a little bit. So if I click on it, Calendly event type field. So if I click on it, then you can see the event name is Calendly event type build. Okay, perfect. So let's go to analytics, and you can see Calendly event type field. Okay, so this event has fired. Perfect. Then let's select the time and date. Okay, so date and time selected. If I click on it, then you can see over here Calendly event date and time selected. So let's go to analytics. Just wait a little bit. Calendly date and time selected. You can see this event. Yes, perfect. And at last, let's schedule this event. It takes schedule an event. So we have scheduled our event. Now let's go to this section. You can see over here, GA4 event has fired one time for the event schedule. So let's go to the event name, Calendly event schedule. So let's go to the analytics, Calendly event scheduled. Okay. So we have created these three events actually, Calendly event schedule, date and time selected, page viewed. So if you want to make this as the key event or conversion event, you can do that. Okay, perfect. So for doing that, what you need to do is you need to go to the admin section, and you'll see events. Okay, then you can make this as the key event from here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. And additionally, if you need any Google Ads services, Meta Ads services, and web analytics services, then you can contact us. This is our landing page URL. You can directly WhatsApp us. Okay, you can directly mail us, or you can directly call us from this section. Then we can build a successful partnership or business together. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.